St. Patrick's Day is coming up, and of course, it's all about green. And there's no better way to go green than with fresh veggies. My next guest has 3 green veggies to set at your table. Lisa Danielson is here sharing 3 of her favorite recipes. Lisa, thanks for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.
So good to see you, and this looks delicious. My mouth is watering already, and you've come up with some fun kind of new ways to give our kids and our families these green veggies that maybe they're not so excited about.
Yeah, the thing is sometimes people just say, oh, I don't like vegetables, but we know there's got to at least be a handful of vegetables they like. And a lot of people say, well, why do I have to eat vegetables? Well, let me tell you why. Okay, first of all, we know that they're really, really high in nutrients, low in calories. So when it comes to getting the biggest bang for your buck, when it comes to nutrition, vegetables are where it's at. Second of all, they have a really high amount of fiber. So fiber is a nutrient that we need, but we don't really absorb it. It just kind of works as a bulldozer in our intestines and our digestive system. So it actually like lowers our blood sugar, it can help our cholesterol, it helps keep our digestive system healthy.
Yeah.
And the third thing is they are a low inflammatory food.
Okay.
So we probably heard this, right?
Yeah.
Is they are low inflammatory because they're plants, right? And so we actually, if you struggle with any sort of like autoimmune or chronic pain, you should 100% be eating low inflammatory foods.
Okay, these are all the things you just listed we need, especially as women as we are aging.
Yeah.
The fiber, the anti-inflammatory foods. I mean, just give it to me all. I need all of it. Now, this first one is a kind of edamame salad.
Yes.
What do we have in here?
Yeah, so we've actually got some cucumbers that you could either use in a spiralizer or you can peel. You can just use your vegetable peel. Yeah. Shredded carrots, edamame, sesame seeds, avocado. I've got a little vinaigrette there with some rice vinegar and some hot honey and some garlic. I mean, it's just delicious.
Yum.
It's a great salad to have, you know, either as an entree salad because it's got the edamame in it, so you've got lots of protein, or you can just have it as like a good size salad, or you could add chicken to it if you wanted.
Oh, I love that. So many options to play with here. This next one we get to get our hands in.
That's right.
We've got spring rolls.
Spring rolls. So sometimes people are really intimidated by the spring roll because of the rice paper. So the rice paper, it looks like this. You can find it where you can get the Asian foods in the grocery store. And so basically all you do with it is you put it into a little bit of warm water for, I don't know, 2 minutes or so. And this is what you're left with.
Oh, look at that transition.
I know, right?
Right? Because that feels like paper. I just broke it.
Yeah.
But that
that's
hard.
okay.
That's
it's a little bit delicate.
Yeah.
But the thing is once you get it to this phase, it's really hard to mess up. So the reason I like talking about rice paper is because it's not something you really think about, right?
Yeah.
So let's fill it with veggies. Obviously, you can kind of put whatever you want in it. I always love starting with avocado because why not? And then we've got some cucumbers. Don't forget about herbs too. So we've got some cilantro here. And all you're really gonna do is I like to fold it over and then I've got each end, right?
So you have to be really like delicate with it?
Not
How's
really.
the consistency
Not
now
really.
of the paper?
Yep. Nope, it's just like that.
Okay.
So then you just always will wanna like serve it seam side down, right?
Okay.
And then we want to serve this with a dipping sauce. It's just gonna make it taste a little bit.
Who doesn't love a dipping sauce? This is my son. He is like, what's our dipping sauce tonight?
Yeah.
What's our dipping sauce?
That's all the kids want now is dipping sauces. So this one is great. It's a peanut butter based one, but you can use regular peanut butter if you want. I like powdered peanut butter because it just has a lot less calories, but you still get that really yummy peanut taste. And then we've just got a little bit of garlic. And then, I don't know, do you ever use these?
Yes, the paste.
Yes, this is, people need to know about this. Because they last forever. This is just ginger. But you know, if you put ginger in your fridge, it's not gonna last very long.
No, no. And I feel like it smells everything up. And so I'm so nervous about it if I don't have it in some kind of container.
Right.
So those little like pouches are so great.
They're great. They last for months. And then you've got either like
oh, you can already start to smell those flavors.
And so I'm gonna let you whisk it up. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of water to it. And you really can just get it to whatever consistency you like.
Do you like it kind of thicker or thinner?
I like mine a little bit. I like mine a little bit thicker. So you can always add a little bit more peanut butter powder if you want.
I love peanut butter like almost as much as I love cake. Like it's like cake and then like peanut butter, and some days they're very equal. So I'm here for all of the peanut butter.
And you could always use regular peanut butter or add chopped peanuts, and that would be delicious too.
Chopped peanuts would be yummy.
Yeah. So then you're just left with this really yummy smelling sauce. You can dip your veggies in it. It's just a great creative way to get your your kids to eat veggies, or
Yeah.
your husband.
Yes. Yeah.
I mean,
If your husband, and did you have some sesame seeds on top
you
here
just
too?
sprinkle sesame.
And then those kind of dry nicely. where
Yeah, they
it's
do
just-
dry really nicely. You just make sure you put them on whatever you're serving, and then people could take them.
Okay.
So it's really easy.
Yum. Oh, and this smells so good right now.
Yeah.
All right. Last but not least,
Yes.
the green beans.
This is the easiest one ever. And this is what I actually make for Thanksgiving.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I don't like the green beans with the like soup and the
Oh, yeah.
yes, all
Yes.
of that. People do love that. It's just not my jam.
I'm not a green bean casserole type of person.
Yeah,
I like it a
yeah.
little more fresh and crispy.
Sure. So what I did is you can either boil them a little bit. I actually blanched these last night, and then a little bit of melted coconut oil, some unsweetened coconut flakes, salt and
Oh.
pepper. So easy, so delicious. You literally have to do nothing other than
I have
boil
not
them
thought
in
about
coconut
putting
oil.
coconut
It's
with
so,
green beans.
It's
Why
so
not?
good.
What? That's brilliant.
It's really good. So.
Lisa, we're always learning so much from you and getting the most delicious recipes. Remind our viewers of where they can follow along to get the recipes and to get just all the knowledge from you.
Yes, just Veggie Lisa on Instagram. That's it.
Okay, you're awesome. Thank you.